Hi guys! I said I was going to make like as many YouTube videos as I could over the holidays, and I haven't. I've only made 2 so far, so this is the 3rd one. I don't really, well, I've got a few things to talk about because I've asked a lot of my followers on Tumblr what they want me to talk about, and I've asked them like 2 or 3 times now because I was going to make a video the other day, but I didn't get around to it. I do have a sore throat. My throat is getting even worse than it was. Anyway, let's see. One of the things that I've been asked to talk about in this video is, let's have a look. My favourite gadgets. Well, favourite gadgets. My favourite gadget. Probably my sonic screwdriver. I should have brought that down actually. I didn't really think about that. But that's probably my favourite gadget. It's not technically a gadget, I guess, but I'm not really into many gadgets because I just sit on the computer all day. I'm sorry if you can't really hear what I'm saying, because I've got like I said, I've got a really sore throat. Yeah, don't mind me just drinking in the middle of the video. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's an answer for you. Orange juice. I like orange juice. Well, I like orange squash, but I'm not entirely keen on orange juice because it's quite strong, and I'm not entirely keen on oranges. But yeah, orange juice is cool. My friend Jess goes majorly hyper on orange juice. Should have seen her today. Yes, I had a social life today. Ugh. Spent almost 2 hours in a park on swings and stuff. Okay. Tina Turner. Eden. You made it so that's like one of my most played songs now, which is quite entertaining. I'm just like, you're simply the best, boom, 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 and like my mum was just like, yeah. So yeah, that's cool. Tina Turner is cool. Let's have a look. Words, like good / interesting words. My favourite word is Raxacoricofallapatorius. Yes, Raxacoricofallapatorius. I just love saying it because people are like, what? And I'm like, Raxacoricofallapatorius. And they're like, yeah. I'm a little. I may seem a bit hyper today. I've had a lot of fizzy, and I had McDonald's, and life's good. But yeah, I'm kind of like Miranda in the show Miranda, where I love, like, if I like a word, I just have to keep on pronouncing it until it sounds weird. Like plinth. Plinth is a good word. Yeah. Yeah. Let's have a look what else people have asked me to talk about. Do a reading of something. Haven't really prepared for this. Have I got anything interesting around here? No. I'm sorry, I can't do a reading of anything because I have nothing interesting around, and I can't exactly pause the video because I can't edit it. But yeah, I do apologise. I'll try and do that in my next video or something. Okay. You could make theories about what you think will happen in Series 6 of Doctor Who. 9 days. Well, less than 9 days now. Well, I personally think that it's just going to be spectacular. I can't really say anything else other than that, because I know it's going to be spectacular, and the whole idea of the silence and things like that is going to be wonderful, because Stephen Moffat has gone back to his old writing ways, which I am very pleased about, because although I enjoyed Series 5 of Doctor Who, out of all of the new Who series, it's probably my least favourite. Yeah, I don't know, it just didn't have that oomph, if you know what I mean. You probably don't, but yeah. Anyway, I don't really have much else to say. Apart from, I'd just like to give a shout out to someone called AC Music 7, also known as one of the greatest singers like ever, Austin Griswold, right? You may have never ever heard of him, but I discovered him a couple of weeks ago on YouTube, and oh my god, he is a brilliant singer. I think you guys should actually check him out. I don't really have much else to say in this video, and this video's really long, and I'm not really talking about anything, as always. But if you ever want me to talk about a certain subject, I'm happy to do so, as long as it's not like rude or anything. So just like comment, tell me on Tumblr, Twitter, things like that on my channel. Yeah, okay. All I can say is bye.